Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Anne, and if you have been here already, welcome back. I know it has been a while since I've uploaded. My YouTube got hacked and then I got sick. My son got an ear infection. Then I got sick again. Like, it has been crazy. But I am back and I'm so glad to be back because, like I said, my YouTube got hacked, which was super stressful. But I'm so happy that it's all over. And I just want to say thank you to all who warned me about this happening. So yeah, I'm really appreciative how everyone was kind of like helping me and supportive. So thank you so much. But yeah, we're gonna get right into the video. First, I'm gonna prime the eyelids like always. I will be playing with a new palette today that I received from Natasha Denona. It's their newest palette, which is a gorgeous palette. Perfect for this time of the year. In the Netherlands, the weather is actually currently super nice. It's really like spring weather. Even though like March, April, we can still get snow, but it's nice to get kind of like a sneak peek into spring. I'm really excited for the more summery, warmer days. Also, my son is walking, so it's really nice to like go outside with him now that he's able to walk. And when it's not cold. So yeah, this weekend it will also be super nice weather, so I'm really excited about that. But yeah, the first color I went in with, I applied in the inner corner of the eyelid. Then I went in with the color Ren, and I'm going to apply this right next to it. That first color that I used, you can barely see it because it's kind of like the same color as my skin tone. But I still wanted to apply it just to make sure that like with all the colors that I'm going to apply, it will create kind of like an ombre going from light to dark. If your skin tone is a lot darker than mine, I feel like it's going to give you more of that nice lighter like highlight, but like a matte highlight in the inner corner, if that makes sense. Kind of how a white would look on my skin. So definitely don't skip the step, even though you are not able to really see it. So I'm blending this right next to it, going in with a few layers to really make it pop, and then blend it in the crease area to make sure that there are no harsh lines. And I just continue to blend until I'm happy with how it looks, just adding a little bit more. And I also went in with that first color over it a little bit more in the inner corner of the eye because you couldn't really see it anymore. Then I went in with the color Floss, and I'm going right next to that previous color, creating a ombre going from light to dark, like I said. So if you want to create like a nice ombre, you just want to make sure that with every color that you go in, you also slightly go on top of the previous color you used, so they kind of like blend into each other. Then I went in with the color Bark, and this is going to be the last color for this ombre effect. So I'm going to press this at the outer portion of the eyelids. And then with whatever's left on my brush, I'm going to blend out more like the edges to make sure it looks more softer. I do have to say I was kind of afraid when I was doing this, like, oh my god, is it going to look good? But it actually will turn out good. But you know, especially with darker shades, when you really pack it on the skin, sometimes it's harder to blend it out. But eventually it started to look greater, and I went in with a little bit of that previous color I used around the edges to make it look a bit more softer. Then I also used some concealer on a blending brush, just a very tiny amount. And I'm just going to sweep my brush back and forth, like right underneath the outer portion of the eyelid, and just blending it out just to make sure that it looks a little bit more clean in this area. Now I feel like you can still hear that I have a stuffy nose, but it's crazy. Like, the year has only just started and I have been sick 3 times already. I guess this is one of the downsides of having a kid. Like, you're gonna be sick all the time, which is so annoying. I feel like being sick on its own really sucks, but being sick with a baby to take care of, well, he's technically not a baby anymore, but just being sick with a kid, like, it's a different level of feeling horrible. So I hope I'm not gonna be sick anytime soon, but honestly I wouldn't be surprised if I get sick again soon, because I don't know, I feel like because I still have broken nights, I do sleep with my son together, I co-sleep, and I feel like the broken nights, I still breastfeed, it just makes my whole immune system a little bit lower. So every time there's a sickness going around, I will catch it just because of the lack of sleep. I assume. I don't know. This is just a theory of mine. But I blended this brown color underneath the lower lash line. Then I went in with this bronzy color, and then I used the color Crisp for in the inner corner of the eye. I used the Makeupbymario brown pencil for in the waterline, and I absolutely love that one. Especially if you have kind of like the same eye color, like bluish, greenish. It's really gonna make the green in your eyes pop out. But I think it will look beautiful with brown eyes as well. So yeah, I'm popping a little bit of that sparkly color in the inner corner, and then I went in with a lash curler because it's time for mascara. I'm actually using a mascara which is drugstore, which is so nice. I've used it a few times, but I just forgot about it. But it's actually one of, I think, the best ones I've used in a while. It's the Falsies Surreal Maybelline mascara, and it's so good. I know like mascaras are very personal, like it just depends on your lashes, what you prefer, but I really like this one. And normally I also really like the roller lash from Benefit. I love the Lancome Hypnose Drama. So if you like those, you might really like this one as well. I am really impressed because my upper lashes is really hard to like make them stay up, but this one really gave me some volume without making it look very clumpy. It just really lifted my lashes upwards. Then I went in with the Catwalk lashes from House of Lashes. Super beautiful. They're not too dramatic, not too natural. Just a really beautiful lash style. Also for if you want to have some fluff going on for daytime. I think these are really beautiful. Actually, on the daytime, I never wear lashes anymore just because I don't have the time for it. But I would definitely wear these for daytime. You know, with a wing liner or something. Super beautiful. But yeah, this is the finished result. I really hope you like how it turned out. I hope you're happy that I'm back. Let me know if you have any requests for my next upcoming videos. And yeah, I just want to say thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.